In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to pin comments to the top of your YouTube video. Two things to keep in mind in this video. One, you can pin other people's comments. It does not have to be your comment. If someone else asked a better question or whatever the case may be, somebody said something you thought was clever or whatever the case, you can pin their comment to the top. And two, this process is actually the same on mobile. I'm going to show you how to do it on the computer, but it's the same basic way to do it on a mobile device as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here we are at the comment section of a video I recently posted, and what we're going to do is add a comment. This is a pinned comment, exclamation mark. Press comment, and then so once you have a comment here, what you want to do is scroll over here to the right, click on the three dots, and then just click pin. Simple as that. Pin this comment. If you already have a comment pinned, it will replace it, so you can obviously continue to do this more than once. But click pin, and now your comment becomes pinned. And like I mentioned earlier, you can do the same thing with someone else's comment as well. And like I mentioned earlier, you can do this. Is basically the same on mobile. You'll click the three dots and click pin. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully it was helpful.